Hi, I'm Phyllis Lang, and welcome to Nightwear. This series of videos demonstrates the Advanced Deep Sky document, perhaps the heart and soul of Deep Sky Planner 4. This demonstration is being done on a laptop computer running Vista Home Premium 32-bit edition. Next, let's discuss the magnitude and size tabs, as they operate very similarly. First, the magnitude tab allows you to ignore magnitude values for selection in the report. Or if you want to select a range of magnitude values that might be appropriate for the equipment that you're using, you can specify a lower number end, meaning the brightest magnitude, and a higher number end of range, meaning the dimmest. And once again, we have a hint that tells us what valid range values are for the selected catalog. Let me show you that if you specify a magnitude value out of that range, it will be automatically corrected to a valid value, the high end being 15th magnitude. Lastly, some catalogs do not include magnitude values for each and every object. If you want to include those in your report, you can select Include Missing Magnitudes. The Size tab works very similarly as we said before, and once again we have the range limits hint for the selected catalog. You should notice that not only do we have the values specified here in the hints, but also the unit of measure, and in this case it's arc minutes. The size values in the selected catalog, the Herschel catalog, are specified in arc minutes. Different catalogs do use different units of measure, and this value will change according to the catalog selected. Also, the range endpoint and begin point, largest and smallest, will specify the correct unit of measure. So in this case, the smallest is specifying arc minutes, the largest also arc minutes, and you should select these values according to your equipment. The missing size checkbox can be used for catalogs that have missing size values. The Constellation tab allows you to select objects for your report that reside in one or more constellations if you choose to do your observing by constellation. If you want to select objects regardless of constellation, you should leave Ignore checked. If you want to choose certain constellations, click Ignore and then click one or more constellations in the list. You can use the usual Windows multiple select items. For example, to select several sequential items, you click the first and shift-click the last you want to include. Or, if you want to select non-sequential items, click on the first and control-click on subsequent ones that you want to include. If you'd like, you can use the Select All button to select each and every constellation in the list and perhaps deselect a single or a few constellations. To do that at this point, you choose the constellation you want to exclude and choose Control-click. And of course, if you've botched it, you can clear all and start again. For this example, let's choose Andromeda and Aquarius. Next, let's look at the Object Type tab. It operates very similarly to the Constellation tab. There are several types of objects in the database, and you can select regardless of object type by leaving Ignore checked, or you can check one or more object types from this list. For this example, let's try galaxies and planetary nebulae. That concludes this discussion of these tabs in the Advanced Deep Sky Search document. Please stay tuned for further videos explaining the remaining tabs of this document and how to use the Deep Sky Report in planning your observing. Thanks for watching.